Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible transformation. We'll take some seemingly ordinary pieces of scrap metal and turn them into something truly ingenious. A robust, adjustable gate latch and hinge system that you can build yourself, saving you a fortune. Now, I'm using an angle grinder to meticulously cut along the marked line. This creates the initial rectangular piece that will form the primary component of our tool. With the main base cut, I'll now take that piece and mark it. Next, I will use a pen to mark 2 small points in preparation for drilling. Using a drill press, I'm creating several holes in both the main base. These holes will serve as connection points for the various components, allowing for the attachment of bolts and the handle later on. For the handle, I'm taking a length of rebar and bending it into a V shape using a vise and a pipe. This shape will provide a comfortable grip. With the rebar bent, I'm now welding its ends to the drill main base. This creates a strong, permanent connection for the handle. After the initial welds, I'll use a chipping hammer and a wire brush to clean any slag or debris, ensuring a smooth and clean finish. After welding, I'm using an angle grinder to cut the fixed handle in half. Now, let's create the hinge components. I'm measuring and marking a long flat metal strip with multiple points for drilling. These points will define where the individual hinge plates are cut. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Once marked, I'll use the drill press to create a series of holes. Next, back to the angle grinder. I'll carefully cut out small, rectangular pieces from this drilled strip. Each piece will form one side of our custom hinge, and the holes ensure they can be joined together accurately. With the small hinge pieces cut, I'm assembling them using nuts and screws to create the movable joint. This demonstrates the basic articulation of the hinge. Once I'm satisfied with the fit, I'll integrate this hinge mechanism directly onto our rebar handle base, welding it securely. Again, I'm cleaning the welds thoroughly with a chipping hammer and wire brush to remove any imperfections, which ensures durability and a professional look. Next, I'm taking the main base and cutting it in half, creating two separate parts. This division allows for the gate mechanism to open and close. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I will weld the bolts and nuts into holes on this newly separated piece. The bolts will act as pivot points, which is crucial for the locking mechanism to function. I will attach the rings to the bolts to form a handle so that it rotates, ensuring it provides consistent tension. After each weld, I make sure to clean the metal thoroughly. With my homemade tool, I can easily secure it firmly to the metal and tighten it with bolts. On the other side of the tool, I'm securing a metal bar and forming a right angle. Let's see how securely it's fixed and how perfect the angle is. Next, I fix another metal bar and form a perfect sharp angle. Finally, I will fix two metal bars on either side of the tool to form a straight line. Look how smoothly it operates, latching perfectly with minimal effort. I'm welding the two metal bars together. The sturdy metal fixing tool makes the process smoother. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.